Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Super Centers in sunny Junction City, Oregon. Today to show you a really nice trailer. This is a 27-foot bunkhouse from Coachmen. It's a Catalina. It's a trailer that I really like. I think it's got some nice new designs that I think you're going to like too. Let's take a look inside. Follow me. Now we're going into the rig from the bedroom because down here we're parked a little too close and there's these awesome new stairs. We'll see them from the inside, but I don't have room to get them down out here right now. Okay, this floor plan is a thriller to me because it's got so many positives to it. First of all, this is a bunkhouse model and it's got the big double bunks, so you could actually put 4 people in those bunks. Of course, you can use it for storage. You can put your fishing gear and your tackle or your whatever you want up there, but it's also good for a lot of people. You could sleep 2 people on this big bed here. It folds out and makes a full-size bed. This folds down and makes a full-size bed, and you can see it's a horseshoe dining area, seating area. So it's like having a big sectional sofa. People can sit all the way around here. It's great. Then you have a fully private bedroom with 2 people can sleep in there. So this will sleep about 10 people if you're all getting along. Really good design. They took the bathroom space and put it in the very back. And you know, really, you don't need a huge bathroom. You're not using it all that much compared to other parts of the trailer. So you want to be economical with that. And I love that it's out of the way because that's why we have such an open design. So I want you to turn around and take a look at this because the steps are kind of in the way right now, but that's your main entry, and this is a new kind of step, and I'd love to show it to you. Perhaps we'll get to look on another video. These are solid steps that fold down out of the coach, and the beauty of them is they're very, very solid and stable. And also what's nice is you don't have that step casing hanging down from the frame. A lot of times you'll see damage to those where people have been not too careful when they drive. They get them hung up. This doesn't have that problem. It's great. Also, I can't open the closet all the way, but there's a nice closet right here by the door. That's a great place for it. They put in a home theater system, TV, speakers, the whole Marianne right across from the seating area. And then we have a nice pantry. I mean, look at it, just keeps going. There's so much stuff in here. There's a pantry storage area. Nice fridge and freezer. Got a beautiful new oven with a glass front so you can look through and see what's going on. It's got a flush mount lid, so it adds counter space when you're not using it. That's dynamite. Great storage up here. Another thing that's really cool, it's not dark cherry, it's not black walnut, it's not mahogany. We got some new colors finally, and they really throw a lot of light around in here. It's very, very attractive. Also, we have a solid surface style countertop with no T-molding, so that really looks nicer and it holds up a lot better. It's a lot cleaner. Let's go take a look around outside. So the first thing I want you to notice about this exterior is that it's got a lot of ground clearance. This has good big tires. It's going to travel really well and get into campsites, maybe a little bit of rougher country, because it sits up off the ground really well. The other thing is I want you to know, a lot of trailers have fiberglass siding. They're popular and they're good looking, but this is sheet metal and it does not weather. This stuff will last forever. You don't have to worry about it. Come and look at my old trailers all over the place. The siding looks great and it doesn't corrode and it doesn't oxidize or delaminate or do anything that the fiberglass stuff tends to do. So I really, really like this exterior. We look under here. You can see a great storage area under there. And then one of the things I like to point out on these is the front part of the coach is also sheet metal. A lot of rigs you'll see just a piece of fiberglass stretched across like this, and it is subject to weathering. It is something that will take a lot of damage because this is the weather end of the trailer, and the sheet metal exterior is a lot more durable in the long run. So we do have power tongue jacks, big propane bottles, room for 2 batteries. As we come around here, one thing I like to point out is this is a rack and pinion slide mechanism. It's old school. There's no hydraulics, no pulleys, no cables. Very, very reliable, and it gives you the biggest slide because the whole mechanism is under the floor instead of above the floor. So that's a really good design and tried and true. The thing I truly love about these is that we have an aluminum fender skirt instead of plastic. Go look at some older trailers and you'll often see that the skirts have been cracked due to sun damage and cold weather. It's really easy to access your weigh station here. There's your black and gray dumps. It's up off the ground and easy to get to, so you don't have to work so hard. And then the last thing I'm going to show you about this is right out here. This has an outside galley area, which is cool when you have a bunkhouse because it usually means you're going to have some friends and family with you. And what we can do with this is we can pull this out. Now we've got a hot and cold running water situation. We've got a gas stove we can pull out. We've got a little refrigeration here. And so now I can do some cooking and some socializing outside. So this is a Coachmen Catalina 27-foot bunkhouse. Great trailer, a good value, and full of reliable features and high quality designs. I hope you liked the video, and I know that there's a lot more to know about this rig, so if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My name's Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.